Greetings, viewers, and thanks for joining me in the shop today. Going to go over a few things that I've changed. I've camped in this a couple of more times, and the more time I spend with it on the road and living out of it, a few things that I've decided I wanted to change. One of the things is these visors for my windows, because I like having the windows down a little bit, and if it's rainy, I hate it when it comes in. So I ordered some of those. They're the in-channel kind. They're more expensive than the stick-on around the outside kind, but I really like them. So I added those. When I was gone on my big trip out west, one thing I really wished I had was a trash can in here. I saw this one on Donut Media when they were doing some of their cheap stuff they get off Amazon. And that was a cheap thing they got off Amazon that was really nice, and I liked it when they did it. So I got one. I've really been enjoying it. It is a quality trash container. It's out of the way. It's something that I've needed in my vehicle for a long time. Glad I got that. I saw my dog stuff and my dog blanket in there. I wanted more storage. I'll keep kicking around storage ideas. I don't know. I still want to do shelves, but not real heavy because I carry parts. I don't know. I'll keep changing that around, but as I go, I'll let you know. I bought this overhead net thing, also off Amazon, also a top choice Amazon pick thing. Was only 15 bucks, so not a big deal. If you put a lot of heavy stuff in it, of course, it hangs down further. It barely hangs down into my rear view. It does have some stuff. It'll be nice and easy for like throwing a hoodie or something up there. I don't know. It seemed like it'd be a good idea, so I got one. So far, I like it all right. But mainly, the trash can and these visor things. Now, decided to treat myself to something silly too, and this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time that I finally did, and that's the hood strut kit for my hood. Instead of the prop rod, now I got the hood struts. I can open the hood. I've got it set to open 7 inches taller than it did on the prop rod. You can adjust it when you put your hinges on or put the struts on, but I set mine up to go 7 inches taller. I like it that the prop rod's not there for when you're doing stuff. It looks nicer, it's easier, it's one less thing to fumble with. I never really thought I would do that. I kept seeing the kit, and it's Spiker Engineering kit. It's like 60 bucks, I think. I can't remember, but it's not really expensive. Maybe it was 70. But anyway, I really like that. I'm glad I did that, just not having that prop rod in the way. Anyway, I really like that. It's easy to open and close when it's down at the bottom. It doesn't jump up on you. So anyway, really like that. Really like these in the channel visors that I put on. I don't know for sure how I like that net thing, but I really like the trash can thing that I got as well. These big ass hooks here, I don't know what I would use them for. They have other little things that hook on them that make them hang out. I was looking for storage solutions without building a frickin' drawer system. There's a couple more things that I found that I think I like. The hook things, there was like 4 of them for like $4.99, so I got those. I haven't even put anything on them, but I want to be more prepared, have more room to put stuff out of the way so nothing flies around. Anyway, contemplate a rear system, maybe a fridge, because maybe not, just a rack for my cooler. Anyway, rambling on. Appreciate you all tuning in for just a minute. Wanted to say those things. Also, in preparation for winter, I did go around and fluid film the entire underneath of my 4runner. Every bit of the frame, I sprayed inside as much as I could. I did the underside of the body, basically covered everything. It was a yucky, dirty job, took a couple hours laying under it because I didn't have a lift, but definitely worth it. So some few upgrades, couple things. Like and subscribe to my channel, please, if you would. It helps my YouTube exposure, if you like. And if you subscribe, please, if you enjoy my videos. Also, I do have t-shirts available that I never wear on the show because I don't show myself, but I'll have to do that. They're at my Etsy store. The link is in the description. Thanks for taking a few minutes to spend with me and my 4runner. Have a great day.